Look at how pretty this is. This is going to be so delicious. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking a super easy rice cooker bibimbap using kimchi and luncheon meat. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to start putting the dish together. It's extremely easy. All we have to do is just put all the ingredients into the rice cooker. We'll start by adding in 3 cups of rice. The cup that I'm using is the one that comes with the rice cooker, a small cup like this. A total weight of approximately 395 grams. Just put everything in. Of course, please remember to wash them and drain them dry first. Next, we'll add in gochujang. This is approximately 90 grams or 3 tablespoons. Just put everything in. Next, for the umami as well as savory taste, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can replace this with soy sauce. Pour it in. Add in our kimchi also, 250 grams. Put everything in. And also add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then we just mix everything up well. Make sure the rice is coated well with the gochujang. This dish extremely easy, extremely simple, and very, very delicious. Once we have mixed them up well, we add in our water. I'm adding 375 milliliters of water or 2.5 cups of this. Now, it is important not to put too much water, otherwise it'll be too soggy, all right? And not too little water, otherwise it'll be uncooked. So 2.5 to 2 3/4 of water, that'll be best. Okay, just pour everything in. Give it a light stir again. And just push whatever rice is by the side or down. Next, we'll add in our luncheon meat or spam, 250 grams, cut into small cubes like this. Just spread them around. Spread them out a little bit. Now all we have to do is just close the cover. Switch to rice cooking mode. And we'll wait for the rice to be done. While waiting for the rice to be done, we'll cook 2 sunny side up eggs to top up with the rice. And you can do the same too. I'll see you back in a while. The rice is cooked. Let's have a look. Wow, this really smells fantastic. The finishing touch, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And we also add in the sunny side egg that we have cooked just now. Break up the yolk and chop up the eggs and mix them together with the rice. This is going to be so good. Wow, smells really, really, really fantastic. This is like bibimbap in a rice cooker. Of course, if you fancy more eggs, you can actually cook a little bit more. It's really up to you. And if you want the kimchi to be smaller pieces, you just chop it up a little bit more. Okay? So now, just to finish this up, we're going to sprinkle some spring onions over the rice. Look at how pretty this is. This is going to be so delicious. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells absolutely fantastic. Oh. You can never expect this kind of explosion of flavor in your mouth. A little bit of spiciness, a little bit of tanginess, the savoriness from the luncheon meat, the eggs. This is really, really a keeper. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Yeah.